Corn and
carrot,
carrot,
Irish,
cocoa,
wheat flour,
Back in Grenada,
Cocoa.
St.
Yam.
Vincent, and say, I'll down.
yam, yeah,
iced potato.
yeah.
Yeah, we're looking pretty
Yeah,
fine,
man.
you know.
Yeah, man, colorful, colorful
So that's
meal.
it.
Yeah, man, and then we have the red, green. No, the green are going yet.
Now
The green are going
we
last.
have a red and
Yeah,
the gold
yeah,
and the green left
yes,
downtown.
yeah, yeah, man.
Let's see, go mad.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
we'll get one doctor feeling time about get crazy.
Original,
General.
full of
And
vibes.
the pata yata the real yata, you know, because I see my youth.
Yes.
You know, leak, not turn over. You see?
Yeah.
You can let me know what you plant here, because I know, so you can't even see my plant here. You can't even
Maybe
see my plant.
a little sample.
We don't care them. We don't know.
That is it to the guys. You want to go on the when you come a Rasta yard, you have to do Rasta things. You
Yeah.
don't go on like you want to respect the tradition.
And enough time, me a cooking
Right
on my youth, and I told them
plantain.
that's a nice party fast here, you know.
Yeah.
Come from bush and I cook some rice and peas, and I just throw them on the fire. And I food that.
Yes.
Can some
Ripe
jokes.
roast ripe plantain.
Yeah, come here, take a juice on my fridge and so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Carton a toast man, so me a carton ban the same month for a toast man.
I
You know.
may try to show them, say,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, man, we are original foundation.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Up
Yeah.
and running, man. Bro, me tell you, say you gone viral, you know.
Yeah.
Eh?
Why you zoom in that so much far? Eh? Rasta?
Eh?
Rasta zoom in the camera till.
Fix now.
Yeah, man, I say every video thing, man. Zoom in the thing, fire. A blackhead, yeah, look for.
Yeah.
Food is the spice
man.
of life, so we take a little of everything.
Man, they thinking waste.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, man. Give me a broke, let me put it in my gut.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Grab another piece.
I know.
Hot, you know. Hot and ready. Ripe plantain.
I can't spice it like anything I do, so be.
Roasting the skin.
Remember the man then put my just at already roti. I went there.
Don't even know.
Remember him though?
Remember the slogan?
Yeah, hot already.
Yeah, man, just cut with the spoon and wait till the pot hot and boil up. Cut it and put in here. Don't play that, you know.
Yeah, man, that would have been nice to make fit.
We are still, man.
You know, a long time I don't consume a piece of roast ripe plantain. And that was nice. And it's like a memory.
Yeah, man.
So it's a shame you burn your one some more.
Yeah,
You
man,
burn
them.
up some more.
We can't stay for. We have to go close to the pot and make another store. Understand me?
Can't stand for.
Can't stand for. And we hope to the pot and make another store. Understand me? I say?
Yeah, that is it.
What it?
And when we put in, we either one thing.
Yeah. The pumpkin and catchy color, you know.
Right,
You have to yeah. Yeah, man. I know it can go in.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, can go in right now. And yeah. So now we put it in the greens.
And the seasoning.
Yes.
The seasoning.
We have
Original
thyme.
seasoning.
We have thyme, oregano, ginger, scallion, or spring onion. You know, all of those things here. Garlic. And now we're putting in the greens. You like the seed in it too?
Yeah, that's going like that goes to your heart.
That I hear about, you know.
That's sickness in your heart.
Is yesterday somebody tell me, you know.
Yeah,
and I
man.
always cut them off in now the callaloo seed.
Callaloo seed.
Mchicho. In Swahili. Mchicho, callaloo. Pole. Pole. Means the storage slowly because it's so much over here. So.
Come over.
Pole.
Come like it's something a 3-star work hard, man.
Look like it need it.
Callaloo.
Need little bit more
You
water.
go get a little water, you know.
Yeah,
But you don't need no more, you can
Let's see
just
what I do first, yes.
Yeah.
Make it as it do.
Come on,
Make
guys.
it simmer.
Callaloo. Watch you already.
Yeah, man, it's a what you cup, you know.
Hot and ready. So this pot is called 10 in 1. 10 in 1. It's more than 10 in 1.
Yeah, man, more than 10 in 1.
Healthy.
12 in 1.
Them a food, yeah. Better woman.
I'm not tell you, man.
That is it.
Say that again.
Yeah, but they eat them food they want woman, man. If you're not a woman, you need to buy one.
And last night, you see one little bird running for night, you know.
Yeah.
And you might say, Russia, get to it. And I say, boy, you're Christian, but you're church, you're Christian, you're going to we do that thing, man. If we have no sex with each you gotta go get vexed, man.
Yeah, that is natural, yeah. Nature.
Then if you don't link up your money, you gotta get vexed with
Yeah,
it.
man, natural nature.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
So then, taste if you want the most of you put in a fan now,
You know, me already make the judgment tonight that
yeah,
not
taste it.
even enough to taste it.
Oh, yeah, we put in there already.
Because you know, so we are professional already.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Put some more. Just put some water.
Yeah, just to
Yeah, get a little more water, like that.
Yeah, bring the bucket, the full bucket.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, see it, you know. The bubbling and
Gummy beer did you see it?
Sip of color low.
See gum son?
Yeah.
See there, that's a make baby now.
Yeah.
Right.
No.
Yeah.
Like that, man. That is it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You put the pepper in a carton.
No, you know, we never get any pepper.
Pepper, no, I'm got pepper in a house, I forget me, look at pepper in my yard.
Get a scotchy.
Slim and go like you know, go in there. Sip of color. Yeah.
Oh, in jump way. So enough time man broke, please don't get you enough food,
Yeah.
you know. Kind of free that teeth, you know.
Up and running.
Yeah, get the high fire now.
Simmer, yes. Little simmer in here now, you know.
Fire
So
man.
now, add a piece of scotchy.
Fire man,
Pepper. Some people said pepper. Pepper.
but we could rasta man call him fireman, you understand?
The fireman.
Him and the fireman, you see it?
Turn up the heat.
Yeah, turn up the heat, you see me I say?
The spice. And variety is the spice of life. But this one carry her own spice. And this kind of spice is not, what's your name? The artist spice.
Yeah, artificial,